In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export iCloud contacts. Whether you want a backup or you're moving your address book to another app or device, this quick walkthrough will make the process simple and reliable. Start on a computer using a modern web browser. Go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. If you're asked to verify your identity, follow the prompts. Using a desktop browser is best here because it makes selecting and exporting multiple contacts much easier. Once you're in, select the contacts icon. Give it a moment to load, especially if you have a large address book. If you see groups or lists on the left, you can click All Contacts to view everything at once, or choose a specific group if you plan to export only a subset. Now decide what you want to export. For a full backup of every contact, click one contact to highlight it. Then press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac to select all. You can also click the small gear icon at the bottom left and choose Select All. If you only need certain people, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on a Mac while clicking each contact you want to include. Make sure the ones you need stay highlighted before moving on. With your selection ready, look again at the gear icon at the bottom left. Click it and choose Export vCard. Your browser will download a VCF file to your computer. If you're asked where to save it, pick a clear location, like your desktop or downloads folder, so you can find it easily. If you selected many contacts, they'll be packaged together in a single VCF file. That VCF, or vCard file, is a universal format for contact information. It keeps names, phone numbers, emails, addresses, and other fields intact. You can import this file into Outlook, Gmail, another phone, or virtually any address book app that supports vCard. It also works perfectly as a backup. Store a copy somewhere safe so you always have your contacts available. If a service prefers a spreadsheet format, you can convert the VCF to CSV using a trusted third-party tool. A quick tip before we wrap up: exporting doesn't remove anything from iCloud. You're simply creating a copy you can use elsewhere. After importing into a new app, it's a good idea to spot-check a few entries to confirm everything transferred correctly. And that's it. You've exported your iCloud contacts in just a few clicks, with a portable file you can back up or import wherever you need.